Hello, my name is Cruz. My Nasher Public installation is named Pink Collar / Children's Linen. Pink Collar / Children's Linen is comprised of 4 components. There are 2 hanging cloth sculptures that both use old white bed sheets as a canvas, and they both follow the same painterly composition. My Daughter's Clothes is My Medium is the title of the hanging sculpture center of the gallery space. The hanging sculpture adjacent is titled She Doesn't Live in My Lap Anymore. The 2 sculptures are connected with more used bed sheets to imply an evolution between the 2 sculptures. She Doesn't Live in My Lap Anymore is made of clothes that are too small to fit. They are sensual materials of satin and silk, lace, and pearls. It represents a very passionate woman. And on the contrary, the hanging sculpture, My Children's Clothes Are My Medium, is made of old clothes that belong to my daughters, that they've grown out of. And these colors are orange and beige, reminiscent of school. There's more cotton, and there's breathable fabrics. Both hanging sculptures connect a tunic with a slender purple collar, thin ruffles with a pink bow. The tunic is then put on like a Mexican poncho for the performer to wear. The untitled basket performance is an endurance piece I spend all day standing in the corner of the gallery as I balance laundry baskets on my head. This stillness requires focus and dedication, and it represents how small things can become a burden if carried over long periods of time. The last component of the Nasher Public installation are my laundry high heels. They are sculptures created with stacks of clothes arranged to tell a color story. The stacks of clothes are tied together with clothesline, and then 6-inch clear platform open-toed stiletto pumps with ankle straps are attached to the stacks by pulling the clothesline that's already tied over the stiletto pumps. The official name of the heels are The Only Thing High at My House Is My Laundry. These heels are similar in spirit to the hanging sculpture about sensuality. I created these sculptures postpartum at a time when I did not feel like a person, but more of a shell of a person. This was an attempt to make laundry sexy, to make me feel sexy,